Have you ever wondered how astronauts on a space station feel like gravity is pulling on them, even though they're in outer space? It turns out gravity isn't always what makes things stick. Sometimes motion does the trick. This is DIY-SCI, do-it-yourself science. Simple ideas parents can show kids. In previous episodes, we've learned gravity pulls everything down, sideways motion doesn't stop gravity, mass doesn't change, weight does, and without gravity, everything floats. Now let's see how humans create fake gravity in space, the water in the bucket trick. Well, it's not a trick, it's actually science. Okay, we'll need a bucket. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Mine's blue, so you can see it very clearly. And now I'm gonna swing the bucket in a wide circle. Even though gravity is acting downward, the water stays because the bucket is moving in a circle. Motion pushes the water outward. This is similar to artificial gravity. Gravity isn't holding the water in the bucket, motion is. We can see the same effect in a wine glass. As you twirl the glass, water presses against the glass's sides. This is the same idea. Motion creates a force that feels like gravity. On a rotating space station, the walls spin around. Everything inside presses outward, just like the bucket and the wine glass. That pressure feels like gravity to astronauts. This works because of centrifugal force, a force you feel when moving in a circle. You've probably felt this inside a car. When the car turns quickly to the right, you move to the left. Motion can mimic gravity. You don't need Earth to create weight. Here's a really cool demo. And all you need is a salad spinner and a ping pong ball. As we start to turn the spinner, the ping pong ball slowly levitates. That's artificial gravity in action. Here's the takeaway. Circular motion pushes things outward. By the way, this is why our solar system and our galaxy are flat like pancakes. Now you've seen the whole story. Gravity pulls us down, sideways motion doesn't stop it, mass and weight explain why things feel heavy, without gravity everything floats, and motion can make gravity in space. With these 5 episodes, you can explain the basics of gravity to any kid. And if you show them the demos, you'll be their science superhero. This has been DIY-SCI, Do-It-Yourself Science, where you can discover science one experiment at a time. Stay tuned for the next mini-series where we explore Newton's 3 laws in action.